Welcome to this course on Alteryx, where you will learn how to do the entire process of data integration, analytics, and reporting using Alteryx. My name is Abhishek, and along with my co-instructor Pukhraj, I will be leading you through this course. As instructors, our courses have been enrolled by over 1 million students worldwide. We both hold engineering and MBA degrees and have experience of data analytics consulting industry. While doing our jobs, we realized that more and more companies are asking for people skilled in building data pipelines using analytics automation tools. On the other hand, students are facing the difficulty in figuring out where to start this journey. We have designed this course for such students who are beginning their data journey and wish to have a career as data analyst or a data scientist. If you regularly put 1 hour a day in this course, within a week, you will be able to create workflows to automate the data analytics process and also answer Alteryx related interview questions. Do not worry if you have no coding background or if you are just taking your first steps in the field of analytics and automation. Alteryx can be used by non-coders, and we will start the course at a very basic level and slowly take it to advanced levels. We will start this course by setting up the environment and installing Alteryx on your system. We have noticed that when students read theory, they do not exactly get the concept of analytics automation and how Alteryx is used to achieve it. So instead, we will show you a demonstration of how the entire process of data extraction, preparation, transformation, and reporting is created using Alteryx, and then we will briefly discuss the theoretical concepts. After this, we will start with the practical part, where we take a simple but realistic case study and we complete the entire process step by step. We first learn how to extract the data from several types of data sources, including text files, Excel, zip files, XML, SQL, and even cloud storage such as AWS S3 and many more. Then we do data cleaning, data validation, transformations, and finally, we find insights from the data which can help in making business decisions. Then we will see how to put all the insights in the form of PDF report and how to mail it using Alteryx. Lastly, we will see how to automate this entire process and schedule the workflow on your PC. By the end of this course, you will be confident in extracting the data from all the popular data sources, transforming the data in all the ways businesses require, finding insights from the data, and communicating them in the form of a report. The ideal student for this course is an existing business or a data analyst who wants to expand on the current skills, or a student who wants to launch a career in the field of data analytics. There are no prerequisites for this course, and you will be able to follow this course without any coding background. We only ask you that you do practice side by side. If you have any doubts or queries throughout the course, you can post them in the discussion forum and we will be solving all your doubts. So feel free to have a look at the course description, and we look forward to seeing you inside.